Check out this 2018 Kia Soul. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 161 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display, cruise control and dust sensing headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.